Ayun, mag-unboxing tayo. Magandang araw mga kabaro sa ating mga tropa dyan. Magandang araw. Mag-unboxing tayo nitong device galing sa Fitness First, myzone. Ito ay parang ganito, watch na may recording ng workout or mga ganyan. Parang ganyan. Para siyang watch na ganyan. Pero ito ay, awang ko kung saan, parang ini-strap sa body. 3-way to up your game, myzone MC switch. So, ito yung box niya. Ang box niya ay halos kasing laki halos kasing haba ng width ng case ng Samsung Ultra S22. So, ito ang niya, register your MZ myzone yata yan, ibig sabihin yan, switch at myzone.org organization ba yan, wearable 3 ways pwedeng gamitin, wearable daw, suitable for swimming, ibig sabihin waterproof too. myzone live display, ito yung myzone live display. Kapag nasa Fitness First gym ka, makikita mo, kung i-connect mo to, makikita mo yung rate ng heart mo, yung progress mo, yung mga rating ng tapos ito, measure MEPS, measure of electric, hindi ko alam kung ano ibig sabihin yan. Measure calorie burn, nami-measure kung ilang calorie burn ang nasunog o natunaw na. 36 hours built-in memory. 36 hour, mahaba. Up to 6-month battery life rechargeable. Mahaba nga. Bluetooth siya. Okay. MZ switch. Okay. Ito yung niya. Alright, buksan natin. Community ID. So, parang ganito lang din siya. Nakukuha yung may monitor ng heart, stress, ganun. So, parang device na watch, smartwatch. Ayan na. Buksan natin. Ayan, meron siyang QR code para ma-download mo yung myzone apps. Your myzone switch will arrive in shipping mode. To activate the device on first use, hold down the itong icon siguro to, button for 5 seconds until the LED flashes and you hear a beep. Alright. So, meron siyang tawag nito, manual, switch easily, charge, ayan, meron siyang strap, switch. May manual siya, user guide. myzone, ang liit nung user guide niya. Cute. Let's get moving with your new myzone switch, MZ switch. 3-way to wear for 3 times the motivation. It's time to switch up. Alright. So, ayan yung basahin natin yan mamaya. Pero i-download muna ang app sa Google Apps or sa Play Store. Tapos, meron pa siya ditong time to switch up things up, open the app. So, instruction para makonect sa cellphone apps, saka yung sa device. Ito yung device. Ang ganda ng device. Alright. Meron pa siyang strap nito. Meron siyang another strap. Meron siyang cable or rechargeable cable. Yan siya na. Maliit yung table natin. Nandun yung aking radio. Nakaharang. So, ito yung bali. May strap siya.
What's going on out there, Brickyard? It's 692 Joe the Brick, south side of Rotten Apple.
Alright.
Brooklyn, New York. What's going on?
Alright.
I am writing up a Zello search group post. It goes something along the lines of,
Inahan muna natin yung ating radio.
can I get a radio check? Or, the weather over here is blah, blah, blah. We should you joke around with people
May
when
ano
you're
siya?
afraid to get in trouble?
Ang ganda
Well, my
ng
friend, check out the Brickyard.
straps.
We
Oh.
have movie nights, game night, and trivia night. Not to mention all the shenanigans that happens around
Ganda ng
here.
strap niya.
Come on over for a good time.
Pwede sa pang body.
What?
Let's rip. Pwede sa body. May strap sa
I love it.
pwedeng relo. So,
Oh, that's freaking genius.
ito. Switchable.
Yeah, right in the head. The weather, blah, blah, blah. That's fucking mint.
Ayun. Ang galing. Walang ano siya. Monitor lang talaga. So, ang likod ay ganito. Tapos, pag i-charge,
It's like, well, you heard of Johnny over. Well, wait until you get along the. Wait until you.
ganon.
Wait until you get a kick out of freaking Johnny Two Times.
Tama ba? Oo nga, ganon. Ayun. Sub it in. Ayan. Yung pang charge na. Ganito lang pala to. Akala ko may watch na, no? Siguro umiilaw to pag kuhan. Okay. Tapos meron pa siyang ano to? Make it count. Lalagyan. May pouch siya. Okay din. So, try natin yan. Ang myzone device. Ito yung laman. See you next time, mga kabaro. So, pakita ko to sa next time pag kung ano operation ito. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.